Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle rear derailleur in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle rear derailleur to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Sensa Rear Derailleur. Specifications. Brand name, Sensa. Gears 11 speed. Type, rear derailleur. Origin, mainland China. Components, derailleurs. Number 4 is SRAM X7 Rear Derailleur. Specifications. Brand name SRAM. Model number X7. Derailleur Groupset type, mechanical derailleur system. Gears 9 speed. Material alloy. Type rear derailleur. Origin Taiwan, China. As the item number 3 we've selected, Wheeltop EDSOX. Specifications. Brand Wheeltop. Model number Wheeltop EDSOX. Derailleur Groupset type, electronic derailleur system. Total capacity 32 to 52 T. Material alloy. Type finger dial. Speed range, supports 7 to 13 speed gear flywheel. Weight, long legs, about 400 grams, short legs, about 405 grams, ultra short legs, about 387 grams. Warranty, 365 days. Origin, mainland China. Number 2 is RD1 Rear Derailleur. Specifications. Brand Shimano. Model number RD1. Total capacity 42 to 52 T. Gears 22 speed. Material aluminum. Type rear derailleur. Origin mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Shimano RDM 8100 SGS. Specifications. Brand name Shimano. Model number RDM 8100 SGS. Type rear derailleur. Teeth 13. Origin JP. Origin